What is the dimension of molar gas constant R? What is the dimension of molar gas constant R? Let us see the matter. Dimension of molar gas constant R. We know PV is equal to nRT. This is combined law of Boyle, Charles and Avogadro. Here R is equal to PV by NT. Then we can write P times V times 1 by N number of moles times 1 by Kelvin temperature. Pressure, force per unit area, that is length square, times volume, length cube, times 1 by number of moles, times 1 by Kelvin temperature. Then length square, length cube, force times length times 1 by number of moles times 1 by Kelvin temperature. Force times length, force times distance, that is work. 1 by number of moles per mole, 1 by Kelvin temperature per Kelvin. This is dimension of R. Work per mole per Kelvin. Work per mole per Kelvin. Dimension of molar gas constant R. Thank you for watching.